Hey, John at Boundary Out Photography. This is my second flight, and Dave, my captain here. Yeah, so this will be my second flight. We're going up, and we're going to take off here. This is the Dreamer 4, Procentec Dreamer 4. This is the first one I got, just to add content to my Fix a Fence channel. But you know what? We're a veteran-owned and a veteran-flown photography company now. Boundary Air Photography. So we're going to be competing with the big guys. You know why? Because we got in with the Sky High Network. The Sky High Network. Remember that. Look that up. The Sky High Network. Big group of people that have the same like minds that help each other get off the ground in the drone business.
Hard on that control. This guy. Run it up. Up.
Okay.
Don't be afraid of your height. Take it up about 50 feet. Now turn it to your left and turn it to the right on the left hand. Way around. All you're doing is kicking that little rudder around and it's just turning.
Is this recording too?
No, the record's in this blocking button right here.
There?
Now you're recording. Now turn it around all the way around, real easy, real slow. It won't drop or anything, so just be stationary and turn. Down here at your lens. Look down here. What do you see?
Yeah.
Rip it up and get an altitude shot, man. Just take it up. Take it up to a good 100 feet.
And how do I turn that camera down?
This button right here, feel it towards you. This one right here. Pull it that way. All right, keep going. And watch your picture, watch your image. Now run it up. Take it up about 150 feet, 100 feet. Just keep going up, you're okay. GPS a lot. And turn around, get competition of the ground. You're only up about 60 feet, dude. Pretty 80, maybe 80 feet. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
And up on the top right, tells you gas power, how much gas you got left in flight.
Okay.
Whoop, that's okay. Cool, huh? Turning towards us a little bit, so push your right stick forward just a little bit. Just touch it. Just keep going real easy. Just keep it pressure on it very slow. You can drop altitude with your left stick too, just as well. camera too, just as well. Everybody gets a shot. Pretty nice, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait until you fly yours, man. Wait until you get the Mavic in there.
Right.
It can be about that small, man. Boom. Your Mavic can fly as high as that airplane. Figure that one out.
Well, no, we don't. That's
No, hell no, that's the airspace.
Yeah.
But it can. Just letting you know. Now coast it towards us with the right stick a little bit. There you go. Just keep going real fluid, real easy. Let it walk towards us. And when it's coming towards you, your left is right and right's left.
Yeah.
Bring your camera up. Oh, you got us? Okay. Up is this way, down that way on the left, rolling. The right one controls the brightness and darkness of it. What's up?
That was fun.
There's about 100 feet right there. Yeah, we're
Okay.
100 feet.
Well, we don't need that much.
No, but that's 100 feet. Let me whip it around here.
And there you have it. This is my Captain Dave Short and myself, John Willman, Boundary Air Photography. Have a great day.